Hey guys, hi, it's Julie the Creative Chica. Happy Friday. I thought I would share what I made today. Well, I've been making it for a couple of days, so I wanted to share it with you. I crocheted a pumpkin. So I crocheted this pumpkin. I'm going to leave a tutorial link on the pumpkin itself, and then I just decorated this myself. So I crocheted the pumpkin, and this is what I did. I made this, and this is for one of my nieces, and I thought that she would like it. I got some little bling beads here hanging off, and I put different kind of yarn, and this came from my tree in the backyard. This came from the Dollar Tree, this little thing here. This came off of a pick. I don't know where the pick came from. I painted this little pumpkin with some Waverly chalk paint. Oh no, it's not Waverly. It's let me see. I think I got it at Walmart. This one here, chalk swan white. So it's not quite bright white. It's just a little off white. So I did that, and then I glued these little beads on, and I did this little blessed from the Dollar Tree. So there's just a little bit of glue on there in case she wants to take it off, but that's why I didn't really put it down too much. So and then the trim, this little trim, or rather these little berries, I don't know, I got a whole bag here. I got a bag here of different things. So every year I kind of pull them out and I do different things with them. And so I took some of these, and I didn't do anything with them this year as far as decoration. So that's why I used them, here. I thought I would leave the traditional colors and then the white to go with it, and these little beads, these little bling beads, I thought would look cute. And because it's white or off a cream color, I thought I would use these. And these little teardrop ones that kind of look like the berries. There's another one here. These little wood pieces, I have some more. They are here, and they came from, I don't know if it's here, but yes. So the Dollar Tree had these sets a while back, and I've had them in my stash. I have a little shoebox and photo box, and I keep all my wood pieces in there. So I've been saving it for that. This is really cute because it's got mushrooms, hearts, owls, bird, flower, little crown. This is a little cloud and some butterflies. So these were the wood little leaves. So I thought they would look good there. And I pulled out a whole bunch. Pulled out a whole bunch of yarns to go with it. So here's one of them. This is really pretty. I got that. And then I got this one. This one's interesting. Look at this one. So you got all this string, and then it comes here, and then it goes again with all the string, and then again the fuzzy. That's interesting. So I used that on there. And this one, this is like a curly one. But what I did with this is I undid the ends. Like I pulled it apart, and so it gives you this fuzzy look, which is nice. And then this trim, I didn't have very much of this trim. It's just this with the little balls. Oops. So I had this with the little balls. So that's what that is, that trim. And of course some organza from white organza from Dollar Tree. And then I had some of this gold twine, and so I used that too. You can't really see it, but that's what these are hanging off of. These guys, that's what these are hanging off of. And I also spread out the ends, frayed them out a little bit. So that's what I did. This little metal thing was on a candle, Dollar Tree candle, and this came off of a pick. What else can I show you guys? I think that's it. That's everything that I used. Of course, you guys know about these. These came from the Dollar Tree. And I have Welcome Fall, Farm Fresh, Hello Fall, Give Thanks, and another Farm Fresh and Blessed. Too bad they didn't do 2 Blessed, because I probably don't know how often I use the Farm Fresh. But I did like the Blessed, and that's that. So that's it for today, guys. I just wanted to bring that. I have my beads next to me here, trying to figure out the right beads, but I think I did find the right beads. Those are perfect. Those will work. Oops, sorry guys, my light. Ooh, my goodness. There we go. Sorry. I have one of those lights that have a touch, like the buttons. You just touch them, and there's different settings, and sometimes I'll accidentally touch it, and then it'll change the lighting in here. So anyway, that's it for today. I just wanted to show you my little fall pumpkin that is a gift for my niece. And then I'm working on, after this, this weekend I'll be working on a little coffee sleeve that I'll look online. I'll look, you know, like on YouTube and find one. And I think I saved one that I'd like, that's going to be like this color is going to be the sleeve. And then there's going to be a center applique of a pumpkin, crocheted. So I'm going to look at that video and see if that'll work. And I'm sure it will. And then give this to her as like a little together thing, you know, like a decor and then the sleeve. So that's it. I love it. It's beautiful. I'm really happy with it. I was wondering about maybe moving this down further, but I think I'll leave it the way it is, because when you look at it straight on, when you're looking at it straight on, it looks good. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys are having a blessed Friday, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.